I'm Gerry from Gerry's Craft Room, and in this video I'm going to make a tag with paper I colored with Nuvo Aqua pens. I added parts of the video how I colored the background in the super fast version. I used part of the paper for some artist trading coins, and I will link to that in the top right corner. And there was some leftover paper that I used for this tag. I squeezed some color out of the pen on an acrylic block. And I'm going to add some more color with an ink blending tool with some plastic wrap around it, and I dip in the ink and then pounce on the paper. By the way, I added the products I used in the description box for you, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I also color the edges with the same color. I'm going to make some splats with water, and the ink will react to water. This way you get some nice lighter spots. Some stamping with Versafine ink. Adding some tape on a card with these little boxes and pull it off again. And I color the back with the same pens and let it dry. I wanted the colors to be a bit lighter, so I spray water and rub some of the paper off. The little boxes stay in place just like I wanted. And now I add the tape to the tag. I sprinkle on some water and add embossing powder, and then I heat set it. Not too close with the heat tool because of the tape. Some thread as a playful touch, and a flower that I cut out of black cardstock. And I add sequins for some bling. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.